Good Saturday, everyone. Don't forget to set your clocks back 1 hour tonight. And while you're doing so, make sure your batteries and your smoke detectors are still working and your weather radio batteries are still working. So it's a good time just to check all the batteries, move those clocks back, and just keep a check on all those things. Upper Cumberland Federal Credit Union bringing us our weather headlines. Shower chances return tonight and Sunday. May even see an isolated shower later this afternoon just before sunset. But then a nice start to the work week just in time for Monday, right? M&M's hourly precip chances. So from noon to say 5 p.m., just the risk for an isolated shower or sprinkle, nothing to cancel your outdoor plans over. And then pretty much after dark, rain chances start to increase. And so 20% and 30%, and then stepping on up to, by the time we get to midnight, actually by 10 p.m., we're up to 50-50 shots for precipitation. So, and then those chances will increase even more after midnight and then on into Sunday. Not looking for much rainfall through midnight, 0.02 or less. So not looking for much in the rain gauge, but you might see a few splatters on your windshield and whatnot. Today's level of concern, level 1, just for showers developing later today and tonight. Clearview Closet and Blind brings us that 5-day forecast. Got a wet Sunday ahead of us, but meanwhile, we're partly to mostly cloudy for our Saturday. Southwest wind at 10 miles per hour. So we're cloudy, and then we got a chance for a PM shower again after noon today is when chances start to increase very slightly, and then after dark is when chances really start to go up. Highs in the mid-50s. Sunday, we've got that 70% chance for scattered showers. Highs only around 50, and then for Monday and Tuesday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 50s on Monday, low 60s on Tuesday, and we hang out in the mid-60s on Wednesday with a few more clouds in the sky and windier conditions, southwest winds at 10, gusting to 20 miles per hour. Weikert Realtors bringing us our extended threats and just got some chances. Maybe next weekend, somewhere in that Friday, Saturday time frame, another front will come through and bring a chance for some heavy rainfall. And maybe again toward the middle of the next week. And that one could be followed by some snow flurries. Very typical November stuff. Not looking for any significant severe weather at this point or any significant wintry precipitation. But I'll be keeping an eye on both of those things as we go, over the next several months or so. B&H Storm Shelters bringing us our On This Day in History. 1870, New Weather Office in Nashville transmits its first weather report via telegraph. We've come a ways since 1870, right? 1987, Crossville reports a high temperature of 79 degrees. A new record for November and a far cry from what we'll see today. 1994, the NASA launched its WIND spacecraft on a mission that would include a halo orbit between the sun and Earth to explore the space environment there back in 1994. And we've certainly made some strides there as well. And I've added a new graphic. This is the snow depth. I always start this around the 1st of November. You'll be able to see as we go through the next several months how snowfall increases across the country. Right now, looking at snow across portions of New Hampshire and Vermont. We've got some snow on the ground, up there. Get choked up just talking about snow. And then we got some snow across portions of the northern Rockies, and this will expand as we go through the next few months. And it'll be interesting to see at times as it even dips down into our neck of the woods with some snowfall. You folks have a wonderful Saturday and keep looking up. For even more weather information, download that Meteorologist Mark app. It's free in your app store or just visit meteorologistmark.com.